Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this quick beautiful looking wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. This wig is very long and it's very beautiful and very soft. It's about 24 inches long. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I was able to install the wig. I'm going to put the link and the specs and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so the hair came through DHL. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what came with the packaging. So this is what the wig looks like. It's very soft and it's really long. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part of the wig. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. I'm gonna cut the spare lace in front a little bit. And then I'm gonna spray my got to be glued fix spray and then put on the wig. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the remaining lace in front. So right here I'm just cleaning up the front with my spirit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on the part very well. Then I'll be applying my concealer on the parts to give it a more natural look. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil. Now I'll be combing the hair down with my hot comb. Then I'm gonna straighten the hair very well with my hair straightener. And yes guys, this is the final look. I really love this hair. It's so beautiful, very soft and very nice. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.